As we speak today, they are still planning and plotting how to kill your president-elect. Yes. When you go to meetings with these people, don't see it as a brother and sister thing. These are crazy people. If they get you to kill your president today, they will do it.
Kwesi Ndoum, aban born besia.
Aban born besia.
Kwabrado for the end wo kakra wan hwe obi.
Asemo.
Royal Bank. Aban koji wo mu sika nyina editua ka na wo education sector. And okọ Kwesi Ndoum hokoji sika.
Kotua contractors.
Ekotua contractors any energy sector e ka eda ho.
Kotua contractors.
Owie ye no e no besi kọ Kwabrado for ho.
Obo for.
E ka say tie ni yo. Road contract na Koko road na yetwam no. Aban ne kọ Kwabrado for ho. E no koji Kwabrado for ho sika. E de kotua so called judgment debt. Emma Koko wrote now betwem. Now when him say utwem na obeboka. Why do you tell me?
I don't know.
Very good. No, twem no kwaji sika no. E wo Kwabrado for. The intention ne say na omo pese kendo Foriata bank no e grow faster and bigger.
Why?
Okay, watch this. I'll tell you. Marco Faba. Memtimbebi o. Memtimbebi na Marco Faba yo. So the agenda was that one number ton NIB. Initially, they wanted a South African bank to come and buy NIB. Then the South African bank will say that then one better one masab bank no. Saubekaya 2018 e ba say a ton Ghana Commercial Bank. Quickly no me rebranding na be friend GCB. I still have the document. So that anka between that time to 2028 they are looking at it, say. Yeah, they're looking at it, say. Sa bank, no. Ebenya not less than 140 branches across the country, so that they can hold the financial system.
Where do you know?
Where they modi? Masera na mi modi. So that they can hold the entire financial space, no. Because Ghana have bank or branches span the whole country. Eye Kwesi Ndoum branch. Bank.
Branch.
Kwesi Ndoum. When my dear Kwesi Ndoum here. Pa, can I say it? I don't know where you are.
Say it.
CIA ebe report e Ghana ha. It is all share. What kind of Japadie book na? When you imagine some blackmailing Kwesi Ndoum, say Kwesi Ndoum a CIA informant. Granted, says Kwesi Ndoum a CIA informant. Why my party na man CIA too Kwame Nkrumah. Into Kwame Nkrumah aye too no any UP4 na do die animu say any Kwesi Ndoum one or the biggest informant. Aye UP. And a Kwesi no I am not. Me kwaye adwuma with United Nations. And a UN and me call Zimbabwe. UN and me call other African countries to build their economy. Alan Chamatini Kwesi Ndoum. And a World Trade Organization when they were looking for top-notch Africans, Kwesi Ndoum, any Alan Chamatini, President Akufo nominati womo. That is why Kwesi Ndoum no a CPP, but Oriye Nejuma no J Akufo time, Obeye Minister of Energy first, and so Obeye Minister of Public Sector Reforms. It is a document now. Me no who say, Ghana Commercial Bank is one of the most powerful banks in the whole of Africa. Me fe niagro. Say Ghana Commercial Bank na ne woman awe ne se no. Na ye one, na your bank be friend TTB, Mokai. Trust Bank.
Trust Bank.
Very good. CIA report ne kire say Ghana manage Trust Bank here. Trust Bank baba be one of the biggest banks ubetimi Africa betimi dey infrastructure. That time your Bank of Housing. Bisam penifone etie no, ungu no. So they realized that Ghana Commercial Bank, TTB, African Development Bank, and omokote no as against ADB. Tinina ADB, African Development Bank, Agricultural Development Bank. It was a strategy so that by abbreviation they would sound the same. It was a serious financial fraud. What I said to kill Ghana ADB. So quickly, Osafma attempted selling ADB. Amfa Kwesi Pratt ya mo sorry here. That time no person ton Ghana water ni ECG kan ho no. Amfa. Then Professor Mills ba ye na muda din. Ekwa dem kakra we mu so ba ye no so person ton ADB. Eno so amfa. Because that's still a CIA document, you know. Indicate say even what ton ADB, what ton NIB, I can't buy bank back me. ADB, NIB, and there's one other government bank be. Forgotten the name. What counts our banks ni na no value boma and do Ghana Commercial Bank half.
That's huge.
And one other state institution was the capacity of SIC. I'm telling you, SIC. What come to boma banks be able to be. That is why I say some person on SIC. No. One ton SIC branches in and they will convert it into a bank. Sa bank be na impese be bodi no. It is sanity there.
Bank.
Kwesi Ndoum who report no. He told somebody in cabinet say sanity there. Young build 5 Ghanaian people. Kwesi say young peg Ghana phone numa what is semase. Or no Kwesi Ndoum so betimi lead ma $4 billion of Ghana to set those 5 people no up. Now metimi ama financial sector na Ghana ha no are very strong. Na fe no we must select about 200,000 youth across the country. Now we must obia $50,000 to set them up. And we agree but na buying nisika na Kwesi say no, nisika no problem. Etika Kwesi Ndoum pese our hotel, can I say it? Our hotel be Wel'l. Kwesi Ndoum hotel
Wel'l, yeah. E will beach no.
Nanka Kwesi Ndoum person this hotel ni kosi a Ghana nti. Yes say, me say there's a document to prove. Eti Kwesi Ndoum ade me hwe me yesa.
Yeah, both from.
Ena onya na damfo bi wo US. Ena ka chen say no, I don't think say it will be needful. So the bank ni be kwakosi awa. You stayed ewa America, why you adwuma man international bodies. You can find a way. Genuinely, onya sika kakra. And also sanity there. Said they be Ghana Commercial Bank be very strong. Now 5 banks no person who grow so be very strong. Said they be Ada makai. Ada international banks they be want to say wo kono. Ghana financial sector no collapse. Now watch this. Now bank bi wo kurum ha. Me modi because obi ato. Woma bank na shim. Dey international bank. Sese am no ka say bank na yasesa ne din na bibi wo mu wo baabi. Na bibi na bibi wo ho baabi. E na omo sesan na omo di ebi be share ho baabi. And a Kwesi Ndoum.
Microphone is on media.
Kwesi Ndoum. I'm telling you Ghana for story. Kwesi Ndoum saw this coming. Eti Kwesi Ndoum. Papa be a friend of Buck Pig and a Buck or your financial guru. Any Joe Papa Kakana
Joe Jackson.
Joe Jackson. And another lecturer be at University of Cape Coast. My friend Kingsley J or your tia be the Dr. Kingsley J or your tia be wow bing. And then one woman or a Ghanaian says I'm no kase or Senegal on advice Senegal finance minister.
Ghanaian
ba onya ba mo ba oni kunumpo. What do you mean for already? Or 43 years.
But yeah, I'm finding you.
Oh yeah, Igbeni.
Yeah, finding you.
Or a Votarian.
Yeah, finding you.
We're 43 years on our advice Senegal finance minister. Go and check Senegal. Say baby, our economy nedru. It's far better than that of our country. These people teamed up and said that they will build the financial sector as against the interests of the international banks because they be on person or more na economy no enya shock. Sa bank bi na me say ho ba bi no okoye financial sector ni nya shock. Emre bi abese ko na omo say omo chesi use beje besia. It's in Crawford omo sika bebre kogu so the bank became the richest bank in Ghana as against Ghana Commercial Bank. So Kwesi Ndoum wanted to keep the money here in Ghana to complement Ghana Commercial Bank. And President Akufo Addo $84 million be SIC because of the Kwesi Ndoum debate. Again, Ena Kojo Banredu be finance minister no. Okoji $213 million after say a ton Vodafone. Ghana Telecom ebe ye ne Vodafone and on this sika no e ko share SNET sika no na NDC ba ya say papa bi and din TB wo mu wo ba bi ko ye sika no wo na ya e dey asem no ba so through Kwesi Ndoum Kufu aban hu say no SSC a build the financial sector no so the plan at cabinet Dr. Paul Akwa, he was the former Bank of Ghana. Any former chief of staff here where we Kokoyin Kreni, Kufu first chief of staff Jacob Chebilamtemu. After a cabinet meeting, President Kufu summoned them. One four. One can me mumudi. Mashada. Me the baba me can't say michna. Someone said, go to London, stay there and think. Monko drain. Now mumbra said beya because that time, let me be sincere with you. That time, Neko Banka threatened Sobeko. Because a ton Ghana Telecom no, Obiayam Shin says Abai Niska. Eko Banka threatened Sobeko. SGSSB are threatened Sobeko. Barclays are threatened Sobeko. Standard was the first, but threatened Sobeko. So the MPP government then needed a strategy to hold the Ghanaian economy, especially Yesike way system. Then Kufu appointed these 5 people, go to London and think and come back. Osafmafu was then the Minister of Education, and then, but he was part of it because he was then the former Minister of Finance. And on the man Kojo Banredu, or transition and no point Juma, me wa fanedi ya. No, you're workaholic. That is what killed Kojo. Higher crown, my fancy me, it's Umuri and no. Then they agreed that the banks need not threaten some beko. Adi ebe sevi and say Ghana first must arrest the dollar. Bisa Mr. Nyama.
The dollar and the watifli.
Yeah, me Mr. Nyama nyo wofia hey. Sama se me boa, mo Mr. Nyama. The term arrest the dollar. Mr. Nyama down for penny bi pa. And so Nancy na omo cheche ye no. Or say arrest the dollar, not the media. So arrest the dollar. Mr. Nyama down for Papa Penny and the proposal your cabinet. Say answer na Ghana economy ni bit major na so je arrest the dollar. So the strategy we buy you say led by Paul Akwa. And say SSC Ghana your currency no. So to hell with the international banks. To hell with the international banks. After what I say. And Sayana Kufu cosmetic. He saved this country. If you don't know, I'm telling you today. J.A. Kufu and his administration saved Ghana. I have a document. My kind here will dream. And now Osasa Sikano. Eti Osasa Sikana dollar no. Ebe 90 pesos to a city. Na city ni nya hoden chen dollar ne pepepe. And a banks ni na ye nwadwen say no ye kasa ye kwa economy no ensay. It was a huge thing to kill Ghana's economy. At that time almost and so now what's the sign na dollar no e wo form chen city and the banks are kase and international banks ni na who said no and the sanity there yenko and Akufo can say businessmen na e wo Ghana ha no tie me ye me ba sem bi so Jacob who said no. A sense economy no aye very strong. Yasasa sika no sika bebre aba system ni mo no. Ghana businessmen no. I don't want to mention names, but Mebo Ibrahim Mahama in this conversation. And I'm saying Jacob was selected 50 businessmen in this country. No, no, I'm called the then Merchant Bank. And Ibrahim Mahama kwane Kufu my man bisia. And Ibrahim Mahama Kufu and Fasika na Manu because say or ye wine or the man so ye Ghana business man. Me boni din we fidie so e friend Antiagi. E ho ne fi.
Na community.
East Legon Antiagi e ho ne fi. Na je Kufu selected 52 businessmen and women. Kwaku otenka ho ntina kwaku oto no trip petrol oton or chate or Katim fuel or official, I mean no license. The fuel co no the abanti se Mali, Togo, Ivory Coast, fuel sa na Ghana businessmen and women na the fuel na co. So Kufu selected 52 nipa. Sa 52 40 of them no NDC related. 40 out of the 52 are Akufo ma omuji sika. Ase mo bi anka da me na me ka kire o. Merchant bank no. Now 40 out of the 52 no mo NDC for, including Ibrahim Mahama. And now let me say this on record. Ibrahim Mahama na sika ni so. Huh? Ibrahim Mahama na ni so. But winning, you have boy Ibrahim Mahama din because ni nua John Mahama. And for 4 years, I pepe no na banks no enim gu ase. Na nka se ne ye na nko bi. Tafe de se we Ghana ni now was ye be ba be ma obesia crap because we must sika bi gu system no mo nim gu ase. And the Kwesi who said no. And now say banks ni bi international banks na starting ma Ghana for be no. Ghana for ni do mu sika ni na e foreign banks no. Foreign banks no some fast one of $60 ne pounds ni euros but film not the call. And to sign a there, President Akufo advised Kwesi said, this is the time to roll. If you don't know, let me tell you this. This I'm getting emotional. I'm getting emotional. This is the time to roll. And to the Petition said, a crown Ghana Commercial Bank, ain't me yen drew one. Wofa Ghana Bank no drew home, mafia. Said ya Ghana ni no sika no beka Ghana. They yet be the enya be the ayo mine ye. And the Kwesi or risky. Let me tell you Ghana for today. Kwesi went for a loan. Kwesi Ndoum went for a loan to establish and expand Sa bank no because of the interest of this country. Ghana nti Kwesi Ndoum started so obi. And Ghana for wabruche no kwa na fe do baby na wono mje omusika fa. And the banking sector na nkasa mpanifo na womu no started say omo wo Kwesi Ndoum pin. I am telling you, it started in 2008. Even national security, Kwesi Ndoum who report Akufo, I am saying it today. I stole that document. Mama man cancer mo krum hawo. Me say Ghana obi ani mu nchami o.
Ene ma Kosoa underground no dey.
Kwesi Ndoum. Wo mo ye na Akufo se dum. Na Akufo nim. Said the be Ghana be yi. All of a sudden, Nanado, you were part of that cabinet meeting, you know. Now you say, ye good bank, sir.
Ye good bank.
Now what the Kwesi Ndoum GN Bank. A good GN Bank. GN what you say? Ghana National Bank. So nka ekwa nimu kakra. Kwesi will hand that bank over to the people of Ghana. Now by the property of the government of Ghana. That was the brain behind GN, Ghana National Bank. Now, we're ceded to Ghana Commercial Bank. Now, Ghana Commercial Bank are taking over Ghana. Said the Abeya say, I brought forward a whole banks and the Céasë womu kwa yen Omane ye fire
Búrň.
Obi asro so be kan banks na ye good nasem. Ensem o.
Abro.
Mo ma yen kasa.
GN Bank o twino ho.
Evia, ensem a menim okroma no. Me ensem a menim okroma no. And ye good GN Bank.